Yeah, for my YouTube channel. So I'm in class with my the seniors at community center for my Zumba. This is Zumba class. When I was working out, right? I should have.
You should tell me. I go there and
You could have taken it for me. That's all right. That's all right. Anyway, all right, guys. Let me get off here. Hey guys, leaving my Zumba. Is it just Zumba Gold class? This class meets on Monday and Wednesday. New instructor. I'm still getting used to her. It's funny. I'll tell a story about it later on. Sometimes she dances off the beat, and I'll talk about that another time. It's just really funny. You're trying to follow somebody who's off beat. But anyway, I'm gonna head over to. I think I'm headed over to the diner. I have a taste for eggs and like eggs and corned beef hash and eggs or something like that. So I'm gonna head over to one of the local diners, and then I think I have to pick up my stuff from the cleaners. These jackets, these blazers that I put in recently that I got from Goodwill. Gonna pick those up from the cleaners and see what they look like. One of them still needs a button. I gotta find a button for one of them. But anyway, let me head over to the diner.